Bow pose. Lie on your stomach, legs together, and hands alongside your torso. Bend your knees, bringing your heels as close to your buttocks, and hold onto the outside of your ankles. Draw your knees towards one another. Inhale, kick into your hands and kick heels or toes towards the ceiling. At the same time, lift your thighs away from the floor. Your knees are no wider than the width of your hips. Naturally, your upper torso and head will come off of the floor. Breathe. Balance on your low belly. Relax the shoulders back and down to open your heart. Gaze forward or down to keep the back of the neck neutral. Take 5 slow breaths. Breathing into the back of your torso. As you exhale, kick the ankles back into the hands and lift higher. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Exhale, lower down.